Hello, namaste, and welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road. Today we are riding on this stretch which goes to the north of Mumbai. So it's a long stretch of road, and on the right side is the creek, and on the left side is the Arabian Sea, and many interesting things. You can see one Tonga coming. Yeah, and those days this was the mode of transport, and there are some tuk-tuks behind the Tonga. So when we travel on this road, you can see very few people on the road. The traffic is so less. I hope Mumbai would have been such a beautiful place to live if there would have been such roads. You can see some fishermen coming back after selling their catch. So enjoy this ride. So friends, those days when I used to travel on this road, about 20 or 30 years back, there were some good roads, but most of the roads were muddy roads. And I remember traveling in a horse cart, Tonga, and I used to move around here. I used to bicycle also here on this road. So now you can see the residential area and the shops. Those days there were no shops here. Anything, if you want to buy anything, you have to go to the city and buy and come. Now the population has increased, there are people around, and most of the people, they practice Hinduism and Christianity. There are few Muslims, and everyone lives so peacefully here. Such a beautiful place, and you can see some residential area. Yeah, friends, now you can see. Can you see this this person on a bicycle? So this person, morning he moves around selling steamed rice cakes and vada. So he'll be moving around with these things, and he'll be serving the morning breakfast, that is idli sambar, vada sambar. In village Manor, and uncle, तुमचं नाव?
जॉर्जी परेरा.
Georgie Pereira. Ferreira. Okay.
Ferreira.
So uncle's name is Ferreira, and किती वर्षापासून राहता इकडे?
जन्मपासून
अच्छा. So he is born here, and तुमचे आजोबा वगैरे सगळे?
सगळे
So his whole generation, they have no village.
I am
So
seven,
they are
yeah.
settled in Manor only. Manori.
मनोरी.
Yeah. And uncle, पहिलं गाव कसं होतं?
पहिला गाव म्हणजे एकदम आपल्या जुन्यासारखं झालं. म्हणजे पहिल्याच्या लोकांसारखं झालं. पहिला टांगे बिंगे होते, बैलगाडी होती सगळी जायला, आणि तेवढी वस्ती नव्हती. त्या वस्ती कमी होती, आणि आस्ते आस्ते सुधारणा होत चालली. तेव्हा त्या गावाची प्रगती वेगळी होती.
And one more person here. आपलं नाव? Francis. So Francis is here, and they are born and brought up here. Their forefathers were also here, and what they say, let us listen from them about this village. किती लोक राहतात इकडे?
इथे कॅथलिक 3,500 राहतात. हिंदू पण तेवढेच आहेत कॅथलिक.
Okay, so 3,500. No, the population of this village as of. So as you have heard, the Christian population of this village is about 3,500, and overall I think it's 15,000 to 20,000 people who live here. And very interesting thing I came to know from Francis and Ferreira uncle, that there was no electricity here. So Father Edward D'Souza decided to develop this, and he brought the electricity. Also Ram Naik, he was instrumental in bringing the drinking water supply to this village. 20 years back, you won't believe, there was no drinking water supply. Women had to fetch water, they have to, carry the drinking water on their head and bring it to their houses, and it was horrible condition. But Sri Ram Naik decided, and he asked because Mumbai Municipal Corporation could not afford it, so he asked the ONGC, that is Oil and Natural Gas Commission, to sponsor it, and today the villagers are so happy. One of the fathers from this church, this is the church which I will be... Huh?
Father Edward D'Souza.
Edward D'Souza, he built this road, and even today there are, when people want to go, I showed you Tonga. Tonga means the horse cart. And this church, I'll tell you about this church. I came to know. Thank you very much, Francis and Ferreira.
And
Uncle.
this Father make road from Manori to Uttan.
Oh.
Main road is make. Ram Naik and Father.
Okay.
Kota.
So this road, earlier
no road is
there was no electricity also. So the electricity came, and later 20 years back, the drinking water pipeline, there was no drinking water here, and 20 years back there was the drinking water supply was supplied to this village. So now I'll thank you very much, both of you. So friends, the name of this church is called Our Lady of Perpetual Succor of Manori. And this church was built in the year between 1635 and 1642, and it was built by the Portuguese. And very interesting story about this church is that on 26th of February 1700, this church was completely burned by the Arabs. The Arabs had come from Oman, and those days the pirates from Arabian countries, they used to come to Mumbai to loot our country. So they used to even land in Bandra. I'll be telling those stories later on in my other videos. So this church was rebuilt, and you can see the glory of this church. Such a beautiful church to be here and to be present. So let me take you through the village. You can see something drying, the firewood, and there's a cross over there. This is just in opposite to the church. And this is what you see, a typical house of a fisherman. And as we move around, I'll show you how the people after see the fisherwoman, they are coming after selling their catch, and they are wondering, how usually the tourists, they don't come here, so they all must be wondering what I am doing here, walking with them around. And see, this is the typical, and one thing very interesting, they don't lock their doors. Morning 4 o'clock they open the door, the front door will be open, and till midnight it will stay open. There's no robbery, no stealing or anything going on in this village. That is something very interesting which I came to know from the villagers. So you can see the Maushis, we call them Maushis, and the fisherwoman, usually we call them Maushi. Maushi means auntie, so that's the local language. And so here you can see some dried fish. I know few names. One is the belled silverfish, and the other one is the Bombay duck. We call it bombil. And this is the Manori beach. The fishing boats have just arrived, and they are bringing their catch to the shore. And as we move around, let us see what they could catch today. And what I am seeing from here is they have caught small shrimps. We call it zavla, or this is zavla. Zavla is the smallest shrimps which they dry it, and it's very tasty, let me tell you. So these are all zavlas here. Let me take you close, little close up. And this shrimps, see, you can see here. So these are zavlas, very small shrimps, and they bring it from the fishing boats, and so many of them. And they dry it in the sun, so sun dried, and no chemicals used. And here you can see they are going after selling their catch. They are going back home. So this Maushi, that is the auntie, she is calling that tuk-tuk fellow, so that he she can transport her catch to the market. And there's another way of doing it. You can see that is the manual one. So his name is Moses, and he is wearing a traditional dress of Koli shirt. And can you see? Zara firta ka? So this is the way he looks. Zara mi laam jato tamba. So this is how the traditional people they live here. And zara turn hota ka? I see. So this is the way how he lives. Thank you, uncle. Thank you. तुम्ही बोलत आता येतो मग 2 मिनिटं. So we'll visit his house. Moses, Mr. Moses. So he lives here. So this is how the village looks. So this is Manori village, and this is how it looks. So he called me to his house. This is a Christian song. And this is his house here. So we are visiting a traditional house of a villager. So this is how the village looks from inside. So friends, so blessed to come here and see such, and being invited by Mr. Moses to his house, and we are entering the house. So this is a real fisherman's house, and I'll show you. Such a beautiful house, and you can see photo of Jesus Christ here. See the door. This is the front door. So beautiful. So he invited me to his house, and thanks. Here, what you see here. काय नाव आहे माशाचं?
याचं करो
The name of this fish is karo, आणि ह्याचं?
वागुल.
The name of this fish is wagul. I don't know karo and wagul in English what it is, but this is how the fishermen they live here. They catch such big fishes here, and here this is the kitchen. हे कुठलं माशा? Tungvar. This is the fish curry, and it's known as tungvar. Oh, that's a fish. I don't know how it looks, but this is the fish curry, and they eat it with rice. So they eat it. So here, garlic and this chutney here. Oh, see here.
Swordfish.
Huh?
Swordfish.
Swordfish. Oh, that's
But
called
it's so
swordfish.
small.
Okay. But the small one, huh?
Yeah.
So that's the swordfish. Moses uncle, thank you.
थँक्यू.
घर दाखवल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. आणि आपलं नाव काय? Paulo. So his name is Paulo. Both are in traditional dress. You can see both are in traditional dress here. So thank you very much.